Did you hear what's being speculated about the US government's Bitcoin reserve? There's a lot of talk, but nothing is set in stone yet. Today, March the 7th, at the White House Crypto Summit, and hopefully we'll finally find out the truth. Right now, rumors are swirling that instead of buying new Bitcoin for the National Reserve, the government might just use the 200,000 Bitcoins they already seized it from criminal cases. It's got some people worried that the big buying spree we were hoping for might not happen. But again, it's just speculations for now. If this turned out to be true, it could feel like a bit of a letdown, especially after all the hype on the campaign trail. And Sygnum Bank research suggests that a real strategic purchase could boost Bitcoin's market cap by 25%, potentially adding $460 billion. That kind of move would have sent shockwave through the markets, bringing in institutional investors and showing the world that the US is serious about Bitcoin. The original promise sounds huge, a national crypto reserves that would include not just Bitcoin, but also Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano. But if they're just rebranding seized assets, it might not have the same impact. It's one thing to hold crypto. It's another to make a bold, fresh investment. And there's more to the story. According to recent insight from Adam Back, the CEO of Blockstream, even if the government only uses its seized Bitcoin, it could still have a bullish impact. He suggested that establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve, regardless of how it's funded, might drive Bitcoin price beyond $1 million per coin. That's a pretty bold prediction, but it shows the potential powers of this move. Still, for many Bitcoiners, the dream was to see the government make a fresh purchase, which could act as a catalyst for a new wave of adoptions and push the markets into uncharted territory. On the flip side, some market analysts are less optimistic. They believe that if the government merely reallocates existing assets, it could be more of a symbolic gesture than a substantive move. Without new capital flowing into Bitcoin, we might not see the institutional buying frenzy that was originally expected. It's like a band announcing a world tour, but instead of new song, they just play the same old hits. Sure, it might still be good, but it's not groundbreaking. Adding the uncertainty, Bitcoin has been pretty volatile lately. Traders are trying to guess what today's summit might reveal. If the government does announce fresh buys, it could trigger a price surge. But if the news is just about repurposing seized asset, we might see some disappointment ripple through the market. So here we are just hours away from finding out whether this is the bold move we've been waiting for, or is it just another political promise that doesn't quite hit the mark. Either way, it's a big day for Bitcoin, and the entire crypto war is watching. And I also want to thank you for watching this video.